with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. This piece right here is called a front bumper trim piece. This piece usually fades or, you know, is damaged or something like that. So to get this off, all you do is grab it in the corner and just pull up on it. Just pull it all the way up, you know, and it just comes out like that. See that? And if you look at the back of this, all you do is just pull it up. Okay, so I have a new piece that I'm going to put on here. This is the new piece right here. I have a link in the description for anyone that needs this piece, where I purchased it from. But if you turn it this way, it's the same exact way on the back side. That may be the actual part number right there, but this is not an actual Dodge piece, Mopar or anything like that. It's just a third-party company, but it's the same piece. So basically what you're gonna do is just toss this one and then take the new one and snap the new one. Let's see if I can get it to sit in there. Just like that. Just like that. And then just press it down. All right, now I'm not going to press it down because I actually want to clean the dirt that's up under here. I'm going to clean that all off, but that's just how you do it. You just hit it all the way down. That's it. There's no clips or nothing. It just pushes in and it tightens up on its own by you pushing it in. But I just wanted to show you guys that for any person out there that may want to get this piece. All right, so you can see that I cleaned that off. And then what we're gonna do is go ahead and snap this piece on. Just gotta line up the holes like that. And there you go. Got a brand new piece on the front. Just make sure it's all the way down. It's down. Looks about better than this piece. Well, like I said, you could have painted this piece if you wanted to. I may still paint this. Who knows? All right, guys. J.O.A.T.D and I'm out.